So, hi, this is myself, Viswama, and I'm the team leader doing here. And so, I'm going to talk about the real task implementation that was given to us. That is like we have to implement something that help in the policy changes, and that can be a very easy so that we can integrate and we don't have to face many errors. So, like we have think about it, thought about it, and like brainstorm about it, and we came on a conclusion about the policy simulation. For example, you can integrate a harness in it. You can integrate a multiple tools in it. It's like a for example, you are having an agent within you, and it can generate your prompts, skills, or tools, or you can use a builder, assembler, anything you want. But it's that much complex, and we have brought it down to a very simplified version. It's just use a single agent that uses the skills that are built in it. For example, for in our case, places cannot be like we are conducting exam for 2 days, or there is a exam of 10 hours. It is the policy for example, previously we were conducting leaks. Means we are preventing leaks on a 60% rate strictly, and they want to 80%. And this is the policy change, and this is the where our board have to manage the thing. Therefore, that we can run a simulation. For example, both can verify the things before and after and the how things works. That's the main core idea. And we have multiple skills. For example, if you earlier there was a no watermark in the paper, and now the policy changes or the new changes are that there would be a watermark, then the agent just loaded that skill, and it helped it to understand the new mechanism and how to deal it with fast without minimal error. So that's our core idea here. As you can see here on the front end, there is a watermark confidence, there is object confidence, tax similarity, and attribution, and minimums, all the things you want. And you just, it is a preview only version. Actually, we didn't have that much time. I can uh, link it. Anyway, so let's try this simulation. Okay, it ran a full simulation. It is a demo only, and you can see that it has been rejected, and impact some is evidence too. And actually, we are working on other core ideas here. Like for example, we can upload a PDF here, and then it just run a before and after version like here. So that's the core idea here. And we also have a community agents. Community agents is a feature like when you are conducting a local exams, local in your community, like it can be a headache for a conductor, for an organizer to conduct this multiple exams. For example, there can be a huge community around it, and they are just human cannot answer all the questions. So we are introducing a community board where you have to create a board, you have to name it, you have to add it to your group, you have to add a knowledge graph. The full customization is yours, and it just it works under exams. So you can detect leaks. You can make an for example, you can make assistant anything you want. You just add a system program, and it works according to it. And there are many things you can do it with it. Okay, so that's all. And about this is our investigation page where will find all the investigation process. And for example, we are using Apache Tika. Actually, I don't know what it's called. It's Apache Tika or something, which help us to run OCR through the multiple documents and types, multiple document types, and we are running it locally for now. Yeah, so that's all. By me, thank you. Going to research. Have a nice day with this.
What if the biggest threat for an examination is not a lack of preparation or a hard question paper, but the fact that somebody else already has it? Greetings, I'm Shaurya from the team Anime 8158, and we've built ExamShield for the Faraway Hackathon. For the student, an examination represents months of preparation, hard work, and hopes, all decided in a few hours. But when a question paper is leaked, it isn't just a security issue. This is an issue of trust. Trust has been compromised. Fairness has also been compromised. And the hard work of thousands and thousands of honest students is put at risk. So we ask ourselves a simple question. Why? Why can't we do something before the question paper has already been leaked? That's the question that led us to the creation of ExamShield. We have built ExamShield to detect suspicious papers, investigate where they came from, trace access where possible, and help examination authorities respond with evidence. Let me show you how it works. So first, this is the website of ExamShield. Now we have to log on to it. It's a simple login procedure. As you can see, we have logged on to the Exam Shield website. Now, this is the command center. Think of this as the control room for the examination authority. Instead of having alerts in one place, evidence somewhere else, and reports somewhere else, Exam Shield brings all this together and investigation on one platform. From here, we can access our alerts, evidence, reports, and many other things. But before we can detect whether something is actually a leak, we need to establish what the legitimate paper is. So now, next comes the step of registering the paper in a question registry. So now we head on to the section where we can register the question. This is the question registry. The organization can register their examination and the official question paper here so that a model knows that what is the legitimate paper and can verify if the leak has been done. So let's just register the paper. This process is very easy. First, you have to choose your examination name. For us, let's choose J paper. Then we have to choose the examination year. We'll choose 2025. And paper set has been chosen, but we can also change it. Let's just say A. Now, next step is to enter examination center details. So let us put in a simple center code. Then we put in the city, then the state, which in our case is Delhi only, and then the center's name. Now comes the part where we upload the question paper. So let us upload a question paper to our prototype. Now the question paper has been uploaded. Now we have to register the paper under our box. As you can see, it has been queued, OCR has been extracted, the watermark has also been imprinted. It is being ready and we can soon register our paper. There we go. The paper has been registered. So now next comes the most important part where we get to know how the paper has been moved. Now
Judges again Chris here, and there's Nikhil, and behind is Virat. So Nikhil, on which part you have worked on? I have done backend. And Virat, you? Okay, so Nikhil, tell me about the issue you have faced while coding the backend. I have faced the issue of memory that because of the bad dating or bad angle, sometimes OCR fail to read text or misread the text. So I build fuzzy matching so that the typo doesn't fool us. Yeah, that sounds cool. So Virat, how about you? Yeah, yeah, that sounds cool because visual representation is all that here the end user will see. So these are the two brilliant teammates I have right now, and they have coded as a front end and back end with me. And there's a lot to go. And yeah, that's all for now.